Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's make this amazing infographic design in PowerPoint in just a few minutes. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide, then remove everything from it, insert a circle here, change this color if you want. Here we go. Then what you have to do is just change this color, insert this line which is a circle. Let's just put it right here. Then let's give this straight outline right here, then change the rig to same. Then we're just gonna add our text, the headings, and the number. Then we're just gonna change the color. Then we're just gonna add some content text in the bottom part. Here we go. Then what we're gonna do is just insert a small icon. Then let's just duplicate these shapes and change their colors. Then let's just duplicate the slide, go to the first slide, and then we're just going to move all of the stuff out of the slide in the bottom part. Now after giving more transition to the both slides, this is the final result. If you like this template, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel.